What's up, everyone? It's Sabi again. Welcome to Sabi's Delights. So, today I want to take you through how you can make your leftover Ndumas delicious and still very nutritious. These Ndumas were boiled and these were leftovers. So, I will fry them. I will deep fry them. This way, even the young ones can enjoy. And if suppose your kids doesn't love Nduma, I know most kids don't love them, you can try and introduce this method and bring back your comment. I'm pretty sure they will love them. Even you will like them, because you want to turn them into a delicious snack. Like I told you, this is a leftover, so there is not much work because it's already cooked. Just going to enhance the flavor. So watch the video up to the end. Just slice them like that, the way you do French fries, chips. Then you're going to dip them in a hot oil and fry them. If you find the boiled Nduma boring, try this recipe. I'm pretty sure you will love it and you will be doing this like every day. Also remember, I never used to like Nduma, so this is how I used to do my Nduma and enjoy. You see that size? That is a good size. So you're going to deep fry them in a hot oil. So in my frying pan, I have oil there. I will deep fry this in a high flame and I will wait for my oil to get hot. The oil is ready. Just fry them the same way you fry your French fries. Don't overcrowd them. If it's your first time in this channel, you're welcome. And if you like this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing and like. This is a quick fix. It's already done. I don't want it to dry completely. It can even turn so hard if you fry it. You see those arrowroots on Nduma that tends not to cook well. I don't know, zinakuwaga na kichwa ngumu at times. Even if you cook them the whole day, it will not cook. You can apply this method on them and you enjoy. This is ready. Now we have our chips, Nduma chips here. Are you getting the sound? Now I will transfer them in a plate lined with kitchen paper towel to absorb the excess oil. If you haven't liked this video up to this end, what are you still waiting for? Kindly give me a thumbs up and share this video. Share the link with your colleagues, friends, and family. Thank you. I'll add some black pepper, a little bit of paprika, cayenne pepper, The Nduma chips are so yummy and crunchy a little bit. So these ones we're going to coat them with the breadcrumbs. I think this is enough. This is a demonstration, so I just want to make a few of them. I've realized my breadcrumbs is not enough. Black pepper. This is optional. You can omit it if you don't like. Some smoked paprika. Kindly watch the video up to the end so that you don't miss each and every step. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe, support my channel. Breadcrumbs. Let's take your Nduma, dip it in a beaten egg, coat it well, then take it to coat it well with breadcrumbs. Another one. Then put it aside. We repeat this with all Ndumas. Hope my camera is showing. This is how they look after coated with breadcrumbs, ready to fry. Drop your Ndumas in a hot oil. Both sides are ready. We will remove it and repeat the process. But if you are satisfied with the one coat, it's just okay. If you haven't subscribed up to this end, what are you still waiting for, my dear people? my lovelies, for returning subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. You are my support system. Thank you, and continue watching the video. These are some of the sacrifices we make for our young ones to feel loved and enjoy. Nduma should not be boring anymore. You can grab this recipe. It's very simple. Even with your fresh bought nduma, and make sure you boil them first. Kindly let me know in the comment section if you gonna try it. Bring back the feedback, and I'm telling you, I'm pretty sure you will not leave this recipe. Suppose you try it, you will always make your ndumas this way. It's really delicious. It's looking lovely. Breadcrumbs can really dirtify the oil. It was nice hanging out with you guys up to this end. I'm so grateful. Thank you for watching, and turn on the notification bell if you like this kind of videos. For more videos like this, the yummy. This is the channel for delicious meals. See the difference? Thank you so much. The nduma is so tasty and healthy at the same time. Look at that. Nicely browned, and the inside is soft. See you in my next. Bye.